road tank truck, bulk tank truck, tank container, chemical industry, food industry. The worldwide increase in transport volume, as well as increased quality demands, require environmentally friendly and efficient cleaning. For your future tank cleaning, Weidner offers everything from single systems to complete systems together with project management. Any requirement, from 1 up to several hundred cleanings per day, will be individually adapted to your needs. Hot water heating units, steam generators, drying systems, air scrubber systems, wastewater treatment plants, container heating places, safety devices. Weidner, your partner for all kinds of tank cleaning. With more than 50 years of experience in the national and international field of high-pressure cleaning, we ensure a deep knowledge of tank cleaning systems. The past has shown that the symbiosis of many years of experience and close customer contact will shape the success for the technology of the future. All Weidner tank cleaning systems reflect special features. Weidner Cleaning Database with recommendation for cleaning. Clear and easy operation. Innovative tank cleaning heads made of stainless steel with up to 30% shorter cleaning cycles compared to similar cleaning systems. Technology made of stainless steel suitable for water temperatures up to 95 degrees Celsius. Detergent dosing on the high pressure side. PLC control with automatic cleaning programs. SQL database connection. Worldwide remote maintenance access. The tank cleaning system automatically issues a protocol as proof of cleaning in printed and electronic form. For more than 100 years, Weidner has stood for quality, durability, reliability, innovation and know-how. Weidner. Quality meets technology.